say that Muchachos is signing Chameleon. This is me individually. Because the company at a point where it is, everything can run smoothly. Like if I'm not there, Skylar, like tonight, Coconut Tuesday will happen. Like never spend all. Things will still go on. Like yesterday, we had an event, a game, a tournament, a football tournament in a design hub. So the team was there, but me personally, I was in the studio with the artist. And that happened, and this also happened. So I'm not one-man army that I run ABCD or there are people behind me that I trust that will run the company very well. I've been doing events for the rest of my life. I have a company that I run as my own. If you ask around about Muchachos, I don't think you'll be disappointed. I don't like being in the limelight so much, so I work best behind the scenes.
I know you guys wanted to hear it from me, from the horse mouth. Anyway, dear my friends and well-wishers, with so much honor, I'm very excited to be introducing my new management to you 2020. Before I introduce my new management, I want to thank everybody who's worked hand in hand with me, the press, the media, the previous management. I want to thank Robert Mutima for a job well done. I want to thank Vasimo Genze for a job well done. Everybody that has put their hand onto my career. But as the world goes and changes are inevitable. I've been working with Bijou, fortunate, for very many years. We've been doing business on the side, and she's my personal friend. Recently, upon a very lengthened talk, we sat down with Bijou, and she accepted to be my new management. So with the growing industry, we need a lot of adjustments. We need to professionalize everything we do, and we agreed upon that with my new manager, Bijou, fortunate that we are going to flip this thing and take it to another level, locally and internationally. Apart from that, I also want to inform you that legend Gwanga Muje is going to be May the 29th. So brace up yourself for a very huge music marathon. And lastly, I want to thank Weasel for coming with me as my brother and believing in me, because he's one of the people who seconded that we should work with professional management at a higher level. So, ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you my new manager, Bijou Fortunate. Thank you so much.
Confirm to us. Should we still go on with this thing that says you are the next Lord Mayor for Kampala?
Yeah, I'm very lucky actually we have the world media here. I want to put it very straight from Joseph Mayanja Chameleon, aspiring Lord Mayor 2021. My ambition to lead Kampala to a greater city is still valid. Muruganda nja kugamba nti tebakubuza abuzanti Chameleon yava ku bintu byaba mayor. No. Eyo teyali mboozi, nkyali serious era kyagenda kwesimba okuba Lord Mayor 2021. So mpulira abagamba eŋŋambo ne bagamba Jose Chameleon yabivaako sima yagenda bityana. My dear friend, ffe twagala kununula kibuga. We want a practical city. We want a more beautiful city, which ability I have. I am still contesting and I am still standing for Lord Mayanja 2021.